If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Barrick Gold Corporation with the ticker symbol GOLD. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Like I said before in one of my other videos, you can see that whenever commodities are red, such as gold and silver, stocks are green. So today, gold and silver went down and then stocks went up. I don't know how many times this is occurring, but it's just something I noticed. So Barrick Gold Corporation also had a minus 1.46% drop today, and we'll have to wait and see if tomorrow is a green or red day. So let's take a look at the daily chart. You can see that we were consolidating for several months. Let me show you guys that right now with the range tool or the parallel channel. So we were consolidating for a good amount of time. Finally, we had a breakout, and this was definitely a very strong breakout because we have not even pulled back to the breakout level yet. We might or we might not, depending how strong the breakout is. So this was definitely a nice strong breakout. So this was the spike in channel working higher. This was the spike up, and then prices went inside of a flatter channel, and this is the channel working higher. So right now we have a spike in channel in play. We have the EMA acting as support and pointing up. So this is definitely an uptrend. I'm looking for higher prices, so we're gonna have to use a measured move target. This was the first leg up right here, or actually I'll do it from here because this is the starting point of the move. So that was the first leg up, this was the second leg up, and you can see that we almost reached the measured move target actually 2 times. You see that this was the first time, and then we kind of came again April 18th close to the measured move target, but we still haven't reached it. So that might be close enough. So that's why we're kind of seeing some selling pressure coming in and going sideways. So let's combine the two in case prices continue higher, and we're going to find out where it can go next. So I'm going to do another measured move, just a larger one, and the target that Barrick Gold Corporation could reach is right at the 29.77 level. Put a horizontal line right there. So that might be a long-term target or a few months out, depending on how strong this uptrend is. I would give Barrick at least a $26 target in the short term. I think we're going to go make up a new high at the very least. I don't think these are the highs and we're going to start selling off. I mean, it is a possibility, but we haven't had the first break of this channel. So even if we do get the first break, there's a strong possibility to come back to retest the previous high and even exceed it. So I'm looking for the $26, $27 level to be reached. As right now, the uptrend doesn't show any signs of weakness, so the bulls have that in play. So let's take a look at the weekly chart to wrap it all up. Here we have the weekly chart for Barrick Gold Corporation, and you can see that there was this previous downtrend in play, which has played out because we had a break outside of it and a move to a new low. So that usually shows signs of weakness, and you can see that right when we had the new low. So this was the downtrend channel working lower. This was the first close outside of it, or the first break of the pattern. We went down to retest the previous low, which was right over here. So this was the low. We went down to test it and even exceeded by a little bit. Once we made that new low, we reversed, and then we made a little double bottom, and then we were reversing ever since. So right now we're inside of an uptrend. You can see that if I connect the swings, this looks like the new channel that prices are expecting. So I'd be looking for higher prices. I wouldn't be looking for lower prices. I'll be looking to get in a long position, just waiting on the correct time to enter. You don't want to be entering this far away from the EMA, especially since we're kind of near the high, so you want to wait for a bigger pullback. But I'm looking for higher prices. It looks like the major pattern is a range. So you can see the range lows is at the $18 level, and the range highs right now is right at the $30 level. So right now we came off the lows. We can go all the way up to the highs. There's also a bigger measure move in play. See, this was the first leg up right here, and as long as we don't go below the, I would say the $22 or $23 level, we can reach the 31.64 level. So the chart is looking bullish. We went up and then down, and now we're going up. So this is definitely a range. Since we are at the lows of the range, I'm looking for higher prices. This is definitely bullish looking on the chart. We're seeing a lot of buying come in the market, but I'm looking for a pullback in the short term and higher prices in the long term. So let me zoom out on the chart and show you guys another thing why I'm bullish is because there's this potential channel in play. You see that prices are also respecting this yellow uptrend channel, a very wide uptrend channel. So this channel also does make sense because we just got support right over here and a horizontal line support. So there was a double support level. It was the horizontal support and the channel working higher support. So that definitely helped keep prices up and continue to push it up higher. So I'm looking for higher prices. Let me show you guys another possible measured move. I would say it would be this one right here, this entire move up right here. Let me zoom out on the chart, something like this. Let me drag it over. So there's also another possibility for the $39 target. So first we need to see as if the uptrend continues. If the uptrend continues, I'm looking for a new high of the uptrend. So right around the 26.15 level. If we hit that, then my first target, I believe on the daily chart, was around the let me double check. I think it was right around the $28 or $29 level. And we have another measure move target on the weekly chart that could be a new all-time high for this uptrend that we have started since 2015. So looking for higher prices. Chart is looking pretty bullish. I'm bullish on commodities, and we'll go from there if anything else changes. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.